Alright guys, so I've been getting a couple questions on my channel now asking about the phone mount that I use on the MT-07. So I figured I would do a video on exactly how to set it up and what parts you need. I just wanted to start off by saying that there is also a new part released by QuadLock called the dampener, and you're going to want to buy that dampener because it reduces a lot of the vibration on the phone. A lot of phones have been breaking. The cameras, the stabilization in the cameras tend to break when there's too much vibration going on the handlebars. So they did just release a new a new dampener piece that you should also buy, which I don't have here, and I would definitely recommend getting it. So you're going to need three pieces. The first one you're going to need is actually a ram mount piece, which is this ball mount. Everything will be linked in the description, exactly what I purchased. So I don't know the exact sizes and stuff, but everything that I have here will work exactly for your bike, for an MT-07 or an FC-07. And this is also another ram mount piece, which is it's like a ball adapter. And then you also need the QuadLock ball adapter piece as well. So you have to buy each of these things separately. I think you can get all of them on Amazon separately, but there's not really a bundle. This is more of it's an idea I actually got from another YouTuber. I'll link his video in the description. But basically this isn't really a kit or anything. And you're also going to need the QuadLock phone case, of course, to attach your phone on here, which I don't currently have, so I'm not going to be able to show you my phone on the bike. But I do have other videos of my phone on the bike, so you can check those out to see what it actually looks like with the phone on there. And I'll leave a picture up right now if I have one. But anyway, so let's get into this installation. So all you need is an Allen key for this, and then the pieces. So basically what you're gonna do is take this little ball adapter, and you're gonna put it onto here and just tighten it a little bit. And you're gonna take the QuadLock, and actually I don't want to tighten it. I'm gonna put both of them in here. And so you basically want it so that it looks something like this, right? And so I'm just going to tighten it real quick here temporarily, just a little bit. And take your Allen key and then come here and decide. I usually like to put it on this one, so if you're looking at the front of the bike, I like to put it on the right bolt. So you just go ahead and take that bolt off. And then you basically put this through, just like that. And then what you're going to do is just tighten it a little bit so that it kind of stays there. And you're going to want to put it at an angle so that it's in the middle. You can see it's centered now. And then you basically want to come here and loosen this so that you can have it in the middle, and then move this and find a way so that you can basically have the QuadLock right in the middle there. And then once you have it right in the middle, as much as you as satisfied as you are with it, you just go ahead and tighten it down. And then you tighten down this bolt. Make sure to hold it in place while you're tightening everything, or else it'll move. And I don't know how good I got that. I kind of just did it real quick for the video. It looks pretty centered to me, but you can probably do a bit of a better job. But anyway, once your bike is set up like this, as long as the tabs are facing up and down, just like this, you don't want them like out like corners like this. You want to make sure that the QuadLock is upright and everything. And as long as it's like this, you'll be able to put your phone sideways with the case on. So it'll basically, depending on the phone you have, a lot of the times it just looks like a second screen here. So it looks like you have almost two of these, but just a clean one up here, another clean display. So that's pretty much it, and I'll throw up a picture again with the phone on the bike here. But I think it's the best setup as long as you get the dampener to make sure that you don't ruin your phone. But that's basically it. Just wanted to make a quick video addressing any of the questions, and all the links will be in the description for this stuff.